I am so excited about the 2023-24 school year. My name is Shalise Packer, and I am so honored to be the principal of New Highland Elementary School. I am looking forward to all the great programs we have this year. Of course, we're a STEAM school, so all of our children rotate through our STEAM classroom. Also, we have an Arts and Humanities program with a great chorus, basketball, beta, academic team, all kinds of great things going on, as well as a normal everyday great New Highland curriculum. If you need anything, if you just want to come by and check things out in New Highland, come on by. We would love to see you. New Highland Elementary School, home of the Bullpups.
I'm Ms. Smith. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator at New Highland Elementary School, and we are at our open house tonight. We are so excited to welcome all of our students, the ones that were here last year, and also we have a bunch of new friends. So tonight we get to meet our teachers, we get our bus passes, and we also have some awesome community partners, such as the Girl Scouts, basketball. We have Mission Hope, an after-school academic program, Power Up. We have lots of cool things going on here at New Highland, and we're so excited because we are all about academics, but we're also about social and having fun. So we are so glad that you have come out tonight if you're a Bullpup, and everybody knows Bulldogs are the best. Woo!
Yes. Say please. We did a training a couple weeks ago for